Do you still use Facebook groups to build a community? Are you looking for a way to schedule posts in there? Maybe that's not through the native Facebook scheduler. Are you looking for some way to maybe organize your posts before scheduling them and then having it all in order before you do it? Well, Facebook made a change a while back and took away that connection where you could schedule posts from a third-party scheduler into directly into a Facebook group. I'm going to show you 3 different ways that you can still schedule your posts easily into Facebook using CinchShare. So come on into my CinchShare app and I'm going to show you the first way that I schedule posts into my Facebook group using CinchShare. So here we are inside my CinchShare scheduler, and I'm going to show you one way that you can use CinchShare to still schedule posts into your Facebook group by using the CinchShare notifications. So I like to keep everything nice and neat and organized in my CinchShare app so that I can come back and use it time and time again. So inside my folders, I have a folder for my business, and then I keep everything nice and neat inside of subfolders. So here we are. This is a CinchShare tutorial that I'm doing, and it's 3 different ways to schedule into a Facebook group. And I have post 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ready to go. If I click on it, you'll actually see that I have the text and the image all ready to go. So it's going to be super simple to do this. Okay, so let's look at the first way that you could schedule posts into your Facebook group using CinchShare post notifications. And that is the first way I'm going to show you how to do it. So essentially what happens is I'm going to schedule these posts, but it's not going to directly go into my Facebook group, but it is going to send me a notification on my phone to say, "Hey, Lisa, you have to schedule this post now inside your Facebook group." So all I have to do is I click on it and the content goes into the post that I want to schedule in the group, and then I just hit submit. So I'm going to show you how easy that is to set up. So remember how I said I have everything ready to go because I like to keep things organized, etc., so I can reuse content over and over again. So this is post 1. I'm going to hit schedule. And I am going to schedule all these for Friday. So let's go Friday. The first one is going to go at 10 a.m. And I'm going to search for that CinchShare push notification. So I'm going to click on that. And then I'm going to hit schedule. Boom. That's done. Now I'm going to do this next one. So we're on post number 2 now. And again, I'm going to go on Friday, and this one is going to be at 10:05 p.m. or a.m. Again, push notification schedule. We're going to schedule to bring up our scheduling part of CinchShare, and we'll go Friday, and we're going to go 10:10. We'll go 10:10. Do one every 5 minutes just for ease of use. We're going to put the push notification schedule, and it is ready to go. Post number 4, same thing, schedule Friday, because everything is already there for me because I've organized my CinchShare ahead of time. And then I'm going to go push notification. We didn't change the time, so it's going to be 10:15, I believe. And schedule. And then the last one, we'll do schedule Friday, and we will do 10:20 a.m. push notification. So if we go into our scheduler, we can see that I have post 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 ready to go on July 31st at 10, 10:05, 10:10, 10:15, and 10:20. So everything's ready to go. I'll get notification on my phone at those times. And all I have to do is follow the prompts on the screen and schedule these or push these through, not necessarily schedule them, but push them through into my group so that they are posted. So this is just one way that you can use CinchShare to schedule your posts into a Facebook group through push notification. If this way maybe doesn't work for you or you're looking for other ways, come back and join me for the next video. I'm going to show you how to use your Chrome browser to easily schedule posts directly inside of your Facebook group with just a few clicks. If you like this video or if you found it useful, or if you think someone that you know might find this useful, please feel free to share. And don't forget to hit subscribe so you could come back and learn more with me.